Where do you think you guys got it wrong?
Firstly, midfield, dog. I think we always get it wrong in midfield, in my opinion. I think we just haven't been found out that much in previous games. But in the last two games, which is today and the Mamelodi Sundowns games, we have. And I feel like we were a little bit too careless at times, especially must build up people, especially in the first half of Futhi. I felt like I'm a player weight were too careless. Kazakh Stars, they were well prepared to mark. That's the thing that I like about the Kazakh Stars. They were well prepared to mark. And the Pirates, I feel like even in the past games where we've played the smaller league teams, they haven't been marking us that much. They haven't been putting too much pressure on us, like in terms of like marking our spaces and men marking a player when you have to mark him. Yeah, but I feel like they've been respecting us a little bit too much. And the Kazakh Stars, they did respect us, but at the same time, they made sure I don't give Urele time on the board. I don't give Apoli time on the board. I don't give Tito time on the ball. I make sure Tito has to go and fetch the ball because when he has to go and fetch the ball, I think that's the end. Tito is who could we final third because it's a 10. Yeah, so I feel like let me just be honest. I feel like game plan wise, we were outclassed today. Game plan wise.